ANSYS problems on simply supported beam subjected with point load with Young's modulus 2 exponential 5. Okay, let's start the problem. Open the ANSYS package. Run the software. Press Y, double enter. Start with the preferences, structural, okay, preprocessor, element type, add, edit, delete, add the type of element. So here beam problem, we are doing the simply supported beam. So select the 3D finite strain, okay. Next, real constants. Okay, no need to enter the real constant. Go to sections. In that beam common section, breadth is 200, height is 300. Okay. Then material properties, material models, structural, linear, elastic, isotropic. Enter the given Young's modulus value 2 e power 5 or 2 into 10 raised to 5. Poisson's ratio value is not given, so it is 0. Okay. Close. Next, modeling. Create by using key points in active CS. First enter the starting point, origin as 0. Next node 1500, apply. Next third node, third node 1500. Next fourth node 1000. So nodes are created. First node is 0, next 1500, next 1500, next 1000. So just you have to add the values with the origin. Next join the nodes by using lines command. Lines, straight line, click on the cursor 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Okay, you are getting the continuity. Next, go for meshing, mesh tool. So in that have to carefully enter the global set value, that is number of element divisions as 10. Okay. Next, click on mesh, select all 3 divisions, click on OK. You are getting the single color line. Next, go for plot. In that lines you are seeing the mesh operation, that is divisions, each division having 10 mesh divisions. Next, go for plot control. In that numbering, 1 key point number, 2 line number, next 5 node numbers. Click on element numbers. Okay. Next, go for loads. In that define loads. In that apply structural displacement on key points. Select node 1 and node 4. Okay. So in that select UX, displacement UI, then UZ, rotation X, rotation Y. No need to select the rotation Z. Okay. Next, force bar movement on key points. Select the second node. Select the value, that is direction of load Fy. Enter the load value as minus 20,000. Minus indicates the downward movement. Apply. Next, third node. Apply. Enter the load value as minus 40,000. Okay. Next, go for solution. Solve current LS. Okay. So you are getting the window. Solution is done. Close. Next, go for general post processor. In that plot result, in that deformed shape, deformed plus undeformed. Okay. You are seeing the two lines. One is undeformed and another one is deformed. Then value you have to note down, that is D maximum. Displacement maximum you have to note down. Then next, you have to create the element table to get the SFD and BMD. For that, go for define table, add. In that first one, you have to select the by sequence number. In that SMISE 6, these are the code you have to enter. Then yes, by sequence number SMISE 19, then select the by sequence number SMISE 3, then select the last one by sequence number SMISE 16. Okay. So the list of codes are as follows: 6, 19, 3, 16 to get the shear force and bending moment diagram. Next, go for plot result. In that contour plot, line element result, select the SMISE 6 and SMISE 19. Okay. So the results are as follows. So SFD, shear force diagram, in that minimum deformation and maximum deformations are listed as follows. You have to take the values. Next, SMISE 3 and SMISE 16 for bending moment diagram. You are getting the bending moment diagram. Note down the values. Next, go for nodal solution. Stress, von Mises stress. Okay. So note down the value, maximum value, deformation maximum. Next, list result. In that reaction solution, all items. Okay. So you have to take the following XYZ solutions and you have to write it in the journal book. Okay. So this is a solution for the simply supported beam having point load. So we hope you understand the problem. Thank you.